Yo, it's Chris O. How you doing? You will learn heaps. I can teach you everything you want to know. Subscribe to my channel and you will learn. It's Chris O. I'm up to the stage of doing manishas and doing around this door. So I'm just coming up now. I've cut my aluminium, 45'd it up the top. Oh, I hate that. DIYs, you might do it a couple of times too. If you do, good. No, it's no good being messy. See how I'm making sure I've got glue to pick up my aluminium here. Chuck that wedge away, it's got glue on it. Give it a bit of tape. Tape always comes in handy, you guys and girls that are watching. Girls, good on you. Give it heaps. It's not just the blokes. That can do it. Chicks can do it too. I'm just eyeballing the to making sure my line is right. So if I'm moving my head too much, I'm sorry. Pull that in there nicely. Slap a wedge in there, grab another one. I'm not using my glue too stiff. Because it's this profile is 10mm, so I need to squash it in. I'm liking it. I'm liking it, people. You just check it all the time with these little suckers. They've been called sausages. Gently put it in, wipe away your glue. If there's no wall handy, just use your shirt. It's all good, or your shorts. That's what they're there for. Yep, that's looking pretty good for the line there. Give it a bit of tape. Like so. Nice. Nice. People, nice. Nice. Oh yeah, bit of blood, you get that. Wipe that on your shirt as well. It's all good. I just had a bit of a rough edge and my finger or my thumb just caught that a sharp piece. But you get that. Don't go bloody running for a piece of plaster, you poofters. Get over it. Now, I've got to come down a little bit from that so I have room. So come down a little bit, Chriso. Yeah, get that. On the coast. Just got to cut that off, so I'll grab my saw. I'll be back in a sec. Yo. If I do too much cutting in here, I get dust all over my Sigma, so I cut outside. Okay, let's just try that. Oh, I like it. Bit of tape. You always do what you'd have yourself in your own place. I've got to put a little piece up there. That is slightly out of level, but that's all right. It can be filled once I've done it. The plaster is, he's in another room, so yeah, he can slap a bit in when he's here, or I can. Easy peasy. Right, that all looks good to me. Slap that in. I'll come back to you on the next. See you soon. That's Chriso. Don't forget to subscribe. Smash that thumbs up button. Go on. Subscribe and you'll see heaps.